Hi, my name is Laura Anderson. This is my 6th year teaching. I am a teacher at Memorial Middle School in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. I teach 8th grade math, and I am a 7th grade girls volleyball and track and field coach. Next year I will be teaching 8th grade math and Algebra 1. So I'm excited about that change. I am from Valentine, Nebraska, and moved to Sioux Falls to attend the University of Sioux Falls, where I ran track. I love gardening, I love to read, and I am married, have been for 3 years now. When it comes to my technology experience, I would say that I have a pretty high level of experience. I use it constantly throughout my day. I can't imagine a day going by without using some sort of technology to benefit my teaching, whether that's using my document camera so that as I work through a tough math problem, the students can actually see my work and understand maybe where their mistake was when I have it all written out. I like to use my iPad to air serve documents onto my smartboard so that my students can see exactly what their textbook has, but up on our smartboard, and then see what I'm writing so they know kind of how to take good notes. So of course that leads into me using my smartboard consistently. I like to use, those typical review activities online, as well as Desmos. It's a really awesome math website for those of you who teach math. And then we also use Schoology in our district, so I post every single thing I do in my classroom online, as well as instructional videos every day, so that students who had to quarantine or just in the future are absent will be able to follow along still. Why this program? I always, since college, wanted more information on how to use technology successfully in my classroom. I felt like one class in undergrad wasn't really enough. Technology is so critical. These kids are growing up in an era where they are constantly using it, so being able to use it to mold their education is so crucial. I chose Fort Hays State because of the description of their program. It seemed really real to me, and I was just excited about the fact that it was something that I would be able to keep and access even after the course was over. Challenges in my building right now. I would say getting some of the more veteran teachers on board with constantly, or not constantly, but consistently using technology in their classrooms to better their learning. Another issue I see is when my students don't have Wi-Fi at home, it's really hard for them to do all of the activities expected. And sometimes it's just tough to find activities that truly benefit the math curriculum that I have instead of just like kind of fluff activities. So just trying to work through finding really high quality math activities. In the future, I really plan on finding ways, like I said, to use math or technology to really benefit my math classroom. That's my goal always, every day. I have no plans really of leaving the classroom. I love teaching math, so I plan on teaching probably 8th grade math until I retire. I would like to be like a leader in my building though, so people know if they need any help with technology or need any ideas, they can come to me, or possibly like lead some in-services in my building or with other math teachers in our district. So those are some goals I have. Really excited for the rest of this journey throughout this program. Thanks.